Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to get latest Microsoft Excel version for free in your computer. As you can see in the screen, here I have opened this Microsoft Excel application and this is the latest version. If I use here the XLOOKUP function, here you see the XLOOKUP function is available. If I use the filter function, the filter function is available. If I use lambda function, you can see all the latest functions are here, and also the latest tools like inserting the checkbox, using the focus cell tool. If you go to view tab, here you see the focus cell tool is given. You can use the focus cell tool, and I have also installed this Excel application here in my computer. Here you can see in the start menu I have Microsoft Excel. Let me close this application, click on start button, then click on this Microsoft Excel and the application launch. Here you need to click on create blank workbook. Now you are ready to use latest Microsoft Excel. Let's learn how you can get the latest Microsoft Excel version in computer. First of all, open any internet browser. I'm opening Microsoft Edge. In the web address bar, put excel.cloud.microsoft. Then press enter. This will open this page, and first of all you need to log in to your Microsoft account here. Here I have already logged in into my account. If you haven't logged in, then it will ask you for sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, then you can use it. Otherwise, you can create a Microsoft account for free by going to the Microsoft's website. Alternatively, you can go to the search bar and put Excel for the web. Press enter. And here you can see cloud.microsoft. You can click on this link also. Now, after opening this page here, you can simply click on this create blank workbook, and the Microsoft Excel application opens. To install this application in computer, which you can launch from the start button, you have to go to this three dot, go to this more tool option, go to apps, then click on this install this site as an app. Now click on the install button, and here you see application installed. If you want to pin this application in taskbar, you can enable this option. Otherwise, you can disable this, then click on allow. Now Excel is installed. Let me close this. Also close the web browser. Click on the start button. Scroll down, and here you see in the application list there is Microsoft Excel. Simply click on this to open. If you have previously created workbooks, then you will see the workbooks here in this section from where you can open. Otherwise, you can click on this button to create a new blank workbook and start working in Microsoft Excel. So that was all about how to get latest version of Microsoft Excel for free in computer. Thank you very much for watching this video.